Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a simple installation on my XP, and that is actually frog skins. I ordered these from MCB Performance and they're just stick on, really simple. All you need is actually some rubbing alcohol and maybe a little squeegee for them, but let's clean them. Let's get it.
This is fine.
So for all this installation, all we need is some rubbing alcohol and a rag. Let's get at her. So we're going to start off with these fellers. I go here. Whatever side that's for. I don't know, one of them. I think it goes for this side. Good to make it easier. No, by no means are we professionals at this. Okay. That's fair. Alright. So we started. I poop, I poop. So, now you can pull this up as many times as you'd like to get it just right. Just like that, one's done. Rub it in nice and good. Now after you're done putting these on, they say you should leave it inside for at least 24 hours to let all the glue adhere properly before you bring it out in the cold. And you're also supposed to apply this at room temperature. Oh no, I got a wrinkle in it.
Look at that sexy something bitch right there. So why watch him film when you can look at this? Look at it!
Videos don't make views and subscribers.
But it does make my wiener stand up. Ha ha.
What were you just telling me about, there's only a few things people watch?
Comedy and sex. It sells. Both of it. Both of it.
Why does it sell?
Because people are funny and horny? I don't know.
That's a nice observation. like this one's gonna suck. Not bad for a professional amateur. Ask me.
Amateur, you're borderline hobo.
Borderline? Yep. Fucking hobos nowadays riding their goddamn E-Techs all over the yard and adding performance shit.
Gotta say, that's pretty. Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Levi.
That, I mean, it's ugly at the same time, but boy, is that beautiful. It's one of them things you just gotta touch, just because it's cool.
Watch, the first time I'll go in a ditch, I'll poke a fucking hole in it.
You know, I need more of that so-called light to see what you're doing over here. Heard it does wonders for filming, you know.
Oh, our grandfathers have been years without light.
It's not true, they had candles.
Yeah, so do Amish.
Yeah, they're so advanced.
I saw one with a flashlight the other day. I'm like, wait, you fuckers aren't supposed to have those yet.
I've seen all kinds of Amish with flashlights.
That's the first one I've seen.
You think they walk out to the deer stand in the dark?
No, they have their little candle lantern hanging out in front of them.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
They go to the goddamn Fleet Supply and buy a flashlight.
Now for the hard fun. Take this plastic piece off to do that. I'm assuming.
I think it's only a couple screws.
Only a toast of them.
Hello, one, and hello, two. Ooh, shinies! Look at that. Need to wax this thing up, make her sparkle.
Who drove through my sled through all the fucking cattails?
This man.
Urgh! Jesus Christ, how long are these bolts?
Longer than you.
I don't think those bolts are 2 inches, Levi.
Inch and take harder.
Off.
Oh, there's all the room. The hell are we doing over here, Billy?
Trying to get my...
That was a nice crotch shot. Just
Cool.
beautiful.
You said sex and comedy sells, so...
Yeah, but you got a flat ass.
Oh, sorry. I'm doing the best I can. Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah, even the ugly hookers get paid.
Look at that. It's done.
You know, that just might work.
Yeah. Wow.
So was there such thing as a Skidoo kit for the XP?
I don't think so.
Just curious.
I haven't seen anything for an XP. Anything I've ever seen has been aftermarket.
I put Skidoo ones on my XS. They actually got a hard plastic frame, and then the screen there and up front here. Seem pretty durable. Hold up good. Not good. What's done? Oh, oh. Ooh. Ooh.
That was a close one, Bob. That's why I think I'm just gonna be a little.
Oh, you almost fucked her up. Oh.
Okay, Mickey.
All this cussing, we should get our first demonetized video.
Did someone say demonetized?
Of course, we always can bleep it out because bleeps are so much bleep and fun when you listen to bleep videos.
Yeah, because we don't know what the bleep they're saying.
Oh, that's not tough at all.
No. I thought that would be a lot harder. Just like my dick!
So for any of you wondering, if any of you are monkeys and you have a brain, you can do this thing. It's that simple!